Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements, and just before I start today's video, I just want to make you all aware of the trading signal service that we provide here. If you would like to join our amazing signal team, then all you have to do is simply visit our website, where you can then purchase the package for a very small fee of $249, which is for a year's membership. So it really is great value for money. What I'm going to do is leave our website link below this video in the description. So if you are interested in joining our amazing team, then just simply scroll down now, click on that link, which will then take you to the website, and then that's where you'll then be able to purchase our service. However, in front of me is the gold over the US dollar chart, and this is my favorite trade of the day. The market has once again done exactly what I said it would do. Yesterday, I said we had a very interesting day. We had Jerome Powell speaking at a conference, and he come out and basically said that the Fed is going to continue to support the markets. This is exactly what I forecast to happen. But as well as that, he also said that the Fed's objective now is to try and get inflation to 2%, which is very encouraging for the stock market and for, of course, the gold markets. And we had a very interesting day. A lot of retail traders were actually confused by the movements yesterday, but we kind of had a buy the rumor, sell the fact scenario play out. So this was Jerome Powell during the speech. You see, we had a huge spike towards the upside, and then all of a sudden, once he finished his speech, gold basically caved in from trading all the way up at 1976 all the way down to 1910, at 66 points of a fall, which is, insane. And a lot of traders were, panicking. They cut their losses around about this area here, and then they then sold the market. I had so many of my signal clients saying, "Max, is gold going to 1850?" And I said, no. What this is just a simple flush out. This is the banks coming together to try and trigger retail traders' stop losses. But for those who were brave and outstood the massive sell-off that we had yesterday, which was caused by the banks, you will now be trading heavily in profit. I said on yesterday's video, but right now at this price here, I think it was at 1910, around about when I posted yesterday's video, I said this is a gift. You should be buying gold right now, because in the very near future it'll be trading back towards 2000. And as you can see, we're currently trading at 1958. We're only roughly 42 points away from 2000, which is my first target price. I do actually believe that gold will go back to 2100, which will be the all-time high. On the chart here, I've drew a kind of ascending triangle. If we can break this ascending triangle, some could argue that it's just a bullish flag forming as well. But if we can break above, at the moment we're pressing above the top of it. If we can get a daily close above the top of this ascending triangle or bullish flag, whichever one you want to call it, then that is a very bullish signal, and then that would indicate to me that we will then be looking towards 2000. So on Monday, I'm going to keep my eyes to see where we close on Friday night. And on Monday, I hope to see a surge back up towards 2000. That is my near-term target. And then eventually, I think we go back to 2100. The Fed has absolutely killed the US dollar. The US dollar is under so much pressure with all these stimulus deals and printing money. And, the Fed's come out saying that they're going to buy corporate bonds. As well as that, interest rates are near zero. And a lot of banks believe that interest rates, even in the US, I know that Jerome Powell really doesn't want this to happen. But a lot of banks believe that a lot of countries will have negative interest rates, which would benefit gold so much. It would be one of its main catalysts to drive it higher. You've probably heard me say this before. In fact, you're probably getting sick of me saying keep on saying it, but we've just had one of the biggest and most successful investors, well, in my eyes, the most successful trader of all time, Warren Buffett, who come out 2 weeks ago and said that they've sold their trades in the financials, such as banks, and they've in fact bought Barrick Gold, which is one of the top mining gold companies. And what does that gold mining company depend on to make large profits? Gold. So gold is back the whole way for me. As you can see on the daily chart here, we did spike up on the RSI, but we pulled back very nicely. We're currently at 53. This leaves us plenty of territory to move back towards the upside. Hence, that's why I do believe we'll get back to 2100. We're still trading above the 200-day EMA, and we are still trading above the 50-day EMA. This is a new bull market that has developed here for the gold market, and I do expect us to be trading significantly higher in the upcoming months. I'm a buyer on the dips. I have no interest in selling whatsoever. I think selling gold right now would be a great way to lose money. As I mentioned before, I am a buyer. and 2,000 is my target going into Monday next week.